Hello everyone, this is my glutathione collagen glow. It's a strawberry flavor. Yan, ganito siya. So cute, diba? It's a bear. It's a bear. Strawberry flavor gummy. It's a gummy. So delicious. It's a vitamin for beautiful skin and anti-aging. Ito meron siyang twice a day, morning or evening. Ang brand niya, Nature Glow. Mother ko bumukas ng pintuan. Dietary supplements, 60 gummy bears. $350 only, 350 NT only. I think this is natural only, natural. So it cannot be used for pregnant, diabetes, like that. Prescribed by doctor first. Glutathione collagen glow for beauty skin. I start today eat 2 gummy bears. Yeah. And then I let you see my bag, new bag, my Melody transparent with I separate by this my Melody coin purse. Can put AirPods. Yan. Ganda, diba? Ang pagka-pink niya. Pastel. Pati yung bag, excuse me. Pati yung bag rin pastel, no? Ito yung tea keychain. Yung pink sa loob. Oh, diba? So pretty. Bibili pa ako ng ganito. Wala na akong ganito. Ito na lang. Pang charm ng bag. Diba? Pang charm ng bag. Yan. So, what's in my bag? My Melody bag. Ta-da! This one is my Kotex and facial mask. Malinis naman yung Kotex eh. Kaya hindi man masyadong kadiri. Diba? When you put face mask and Kotex at the same purse. Yan. Pouch. Ito yung mga face mask ko. Dami, no? May pink, may blue, may yellow, may peach. Yan. Ito yung Kotex ko. I use Kotex. Then, ito pa yung mga ano ko, facial mask ko, dami. Bihira na lang ako gumamit. I use seldom only the facial mask. This one is my Melody. I put medicine. My medicine. Yeah. Today, Tuesday, I will drink this later. For evening, my psychiatrist medicine for sleep well. And then here have Wednesday medicine. Yan. May vitamin B, may allergy sa sipon, tapos mga cholesterol, anti-cholesterol, tsaka yung psychiatrist drink. This one is for psychiatrist drink, medicine. Ito yung ano ko, Apple earphone. Apple earphone siya for Apple cell phone. Only 150 NT. It's cheaper, diba? It's cheaper, diba? When you buy this one, you can find this one on RJ outside. RJ Minchencillo outside. Near St. Christopher, Minchencillo, Chongsan. RJ store outside. You can buy this. This is called Apple earphone. Nilagyan ko lang siya ng clip para hindi magulo. Organize siya. Then, ito yung ano ko, icing cafe pangkako, yoyo card ko na charity ID. Yoyo card for bus ride. Kasi sa in Taiwan, bus ride can swipe cards to pay bus bill. And then this one is my organizer. I put my important things inside. Yeah. And this is my ball pen. My Melody ball pen. Yan, my Melody. My Melody juice. Pilot juice. Maganda ink niya. The ink is very, very beautiful. The pen. Blue color. This one is my alcohol spray. I just buy in skin store. And then I put the alcohol. I put rubbing alcohol from Philippines. Can buy from RJ or EEC store. Filipinos grocery. This one, my charger from cell phone. This one is my key, LV keychain, have keys, and then voila, no more. it is only lightweight, this bag. I put some things only, so I won't be so tired of bringing bags that is so so bigat. So, anong bigat sa Tagalog? Ay, English? And then I buy Kuromi waist can. Look, it's violet here, and here is pink. Yeah, Kuromi. From Marketplace. You can buy at Marketplace at a cheaper price. Yeah. Marketplace from Facebook. I'm drinking now Coca-Cola original taste. This is 600 ml, 39 NTD, Taiwan. And this one, I will put it on my table at work. Kuromi waist can, also small waist can only. I will put it on my table at work. This is my today's vlog. Finish. Hope you like my bye. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, CharmTu YouTube channel. CharmTu YouTube. Search in Google. CharmTu YouTube. Subscribe to my channel and support me, so you can see my what's in a day vlog, or what I buy, what I go to, what I eat, what I go places. I go Philippines, and next time I go Japan and Hong Kong. Hope to see you there in my vlogs. Comments, positive comments, good comments, and encouraging comments, happy comments, and share to others. Enjoy watching, happy watching, and learn a lot about Jesus and what to buy in affordable prices. Bye-bye.